Latrobe Community Health Service is a not-for-profit organisation and we're here to serve the community. It's not about making money, it's about giving as much as we can through to the client and making sure the client gets everything they need to live a healthy and prosperous life. We run over 120 plus programs for our clients and everything we do is focused towards them. So in the last 3 years, LCHS has become a strong partner with the government under NDIS services being delivered. We work for the government with our clients, and that means we've expanded right across Victoria. So we've gone from approximately 13 sites up to over 50 sites in the last 3 years, and of course we've added another 3 in New South Wales just this month. So yeah, the growth there has just been exponential when you look at it. And from an IT perspective, it's been huge. So in terms of IT, a decision was made back in 2012 to review our existing architecture and move to a new strategy. We put in a 9-year plan where we took on new infrastructure, and that's been running beautifully for the last 7.5, 8 years now. And we've come to a point now where we need to reconsider what we're going to move forward. We're looking for something that would provide us with high availability. That was really strong on our requirements list, but we wanted it right across the board, including we want to be able to have a dual environment. So, 2 data centres, full redundancy, any server failures will be automatically taken up by the system, and seamless operation for the users. So we'd like to get the 100% uptime. Obviously that might be unrealistic in some terms, but for us, we want to get there as close to that as possible. Leading up to the review for where we're going to go with our new technology, we have a strong relationship with Blue Connections, one of our business partners, and they held a boot camp for us, and we sent our administration team along to that, and they got to see firsthand the vSAN product, its capabilities and other features it would bring to us. And that was a great timing and a great event for us, because it meant then we had somewhere to work from, and it gave us a platform for which to form our review. We're quite financially focused as an organisation, being a community health. We want to make sure most of our funding ends up at the client end of the service, and when we investigated, we found that vSAN was actually, on a dollars perspective, it wasn't much of a leap for us to move into that space and also achieve high availability. So it really ticked a lot of boxes. So when it came time to make a decision, vSAN was our choice, and then we had to find a partner at a hardware level, and through that we discovered that Lenovo had vSAN ready service to go, so it was a simple decision for us. So since making the decision, we've gone ahead and we've ordered our infrastructure, our VMware, vSAN license, etc. The equipment's now arrived and we're in the process of deploying and starting to build and migrate our existing environment across. So the future for LCHS, especially in the IT area, is really quite positive. We're very confident that we've chosen the right product and the right infrastructure to go with it. And it's just an exciting time, really. In fact, it's so exciting, the team is so keen. I'm holding them back to the point where we want to get this in, because we know that this is going to be great for the business. And it's not a 2 or 3 year plan. We see this as being the next plan that could run for the next 10 years.